Hello everyone, welcome to Learning by Knowing. My name is Nilufar Ismail Chaudhary and this video is the part 2 of 100 plus question series and it will contain 25 questions. So let's begin with the first question. What is sexual dimorphism? Sexual dimorphism is the systematic difference in form between individuals of different sex in the same species. For example, in some species, including many mammals, the male is larger than the female. Number 2. What are primates? Primates is a taxonomic order that includes a diversified group of animals such as lemurs, lorises, tarsiers, monkeys, apes, and humans. Number 3. From which part root of a plant develops? It develops from radicle, and the shoot of a plant develops from plumule. Number 4. What are pneumatophores? Pneumatophores are specialized root structures that grow out from the water surface and facilitate the aeration necessary for root respiration in hydrophytic trees, such as many mangrove species. Next is, what are epiphytes? Epiphytes are plants that grows on another plant, especially one that is not parasitic. They are like you can say ferns, bromeliads, airplanes, orchids growing on tree trunks in tropical rainforests. They are not parasitic plants. They do not harm the host plant. Just take shelter on the host plant. Number 6. What is venation? Venation is known as the system of arranging veins. Then what is phyllotaxy? It is the arrangement of leaves on an axis or stem. Next, write the 4 holes of a flower. They are calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. Then what is true fruit? A true fruit is the ripened ovary of the flower that surrounds a seed. Then number 10, floral formula of Fabaceae, Solanaceae, and Liliaceae. You can see the floral formula in the answer, how the floral formula of these families look like. Then number 11, what is tissue? Tissue, it is a group or layer of cells that work together to perform a specific function. Then number 12, which plant tissue is responsible for photosynthesis? It's mesophyll, because mesophyll contains the chlorophyll. Mesophyll tissues, they contain the chlorophyll. Then how to calculate the age of a plant? We can calculate the age of a plant by counting the rings on the plant. Then number 14, what is a gland? It is glands are any of the small parts inside our body that produce chemical substances for our body to use. The chemical substances are hormones or any other chemical substance. Number 15, what is a cartilage? Cartilage is a strong, flexible, connective tissue that protects your joints and bones. We can find cartilages in our ears, nose. Then who discovered cell? It's by Robert Hooke. Then what are the components of cell wall? Plant cell wall. The cell wall is composed of a network of cellulose, microfibrils, and cross-linking glycans embedded in a highly cross-linked matrix of pectin polysaccharides. Number 18. What is active transport? The movement of ions or molecules across a cell membrane into a region of higher concentration, assisted by enzymes and requiring energy, is known as active transport. Then what is passive transport? Passive transport is a type of membrane transport that does not require energy to move substances across cell membranes. Number 20, what is phagocytosis? Phagocytosis is an important process for nutrition in unicellular organisms. Number 21, what is pinocytosis? Pinocytosis is an active energy consuming process where extracellular fluid and solutes are taken up into cell via small vesicles. Number 22, what are the functions of ribosomes? The functions of ribosomes is to synthesize the protein. Number 23, what is the energy currency of cell? It's ATP. 24, what is chromatin? Chromatin refers to a mixture of DNA and proteins that form the chromosomes found in the cells of humans and other higher organisms. And the last one is, what is plasmodesmata? It is a narrow thread of cytoplasm that passes through the cell walls of adjacent plant cells and allows communication between them. So these are the 25 questions from part 2. Follow part 3 for rest questions.